All right, coming up, we'll have Matt McDonough, former Iowa Hawkeye, two-time NCAA champion, three-time NCAA finalist for the Hawkeyes, making his freestyle debut here. And he is going against Jason Buckle of Canada. McDonough in the red here. Still training out in Iowa City with the Hawkeyes. McDonough, so the same weight as Coleman Scott, 61 kilos. Also BJ Futrell on the bottom side of that bracket there. Winner of this match will most likely have Alexander Bogomolov. He's wrestling on mat number 4 right now, Russian. Bogomolov with the takedown on mat number 4. If you want to check him out, McDonough working a cradle to the back. Takedown for McDonough. And the fall, Matt McDonough with the fall in 58 seconds. Nice start to the day for him. And he will have Alexander Bogomolov, who just won by technical fall in 36 seconds on mat number 4. So that'll be a good quarterfinal matchup to watch. Bogomolov and McDonough.